Um, you should have gotten this email with the link to newsela.com. What you want to do is go ahead and click on, once you get there, go ahead and click on join. Okay. Then you wanted to click on I'm a learner. Don't click on that one. Make sure you enter your birthday. Okay, I'm just going to put a random one in. Okay. And then click next. Okay, and then you want to sign up with Google. Okay, and it's going to take you to this page where you can sign up. Okay, once you click on that, that should set you up quite well. Now, what I want you to do, let me back out of here and go to my account and show you what I'm wanting you to do. Okay. Once you've created your account, what I want you to do is I just want you to kind of find an article that you feel that you might like. You can search for any topic up here. You know, if you want to read about video games, you can just type in video games, sports, history, almost anything you can think of, it's going to have. All right. So let's say that I want to read about longer lasting popsicles. All right. So I can click on that and it brings up the article. Now, what is special about this, if you need to, if the reading becomes really difficult, you can change the lexicon on it, meaning that it'll change the level of the reading. You can go ahead and do that. What I want you to do is I want you to read the article, okay, any article that you choose, all right. And then I want you to click right up here with activities, all right. And then there are power words, write, and quiz. I want you to work on all three of those if they're there, all right? If you have any questions, please, shoot me an email or hang out. I will help you best I can, okay, buddy? All right, thanks.